Hello everyone and welcome to Yoka's Polka. I am Yoka, your night owl. So for today's plan with me, I really wanted to use up these cartoon stickers that I got from Amazon and also some of these scraps of paper that has been lying around, and I just want to use them up. The next thing I'll be using is my Viewingle washi tape, which I actually really love. I just love all the colors, you can't go wrong. And also some of these sticker books that have been just collecting dust because, I kind of got new ones, so I've been not really paying attention to them, but I want to use them up. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So for this week, I really wanted to make it super colorful, especially since last week it was kind of not so colorful. If you've seen my last video, it was moody flowers and it was a lot of dark colors like black and purple and just kind of moody flowers. So this time we're gonna do a very colorful rainbow fruity foodie thing, so I hope you'll enjoy it. I started by choosing a red washi tape and laying it on top of those two boxes. Then taking the scraps of paper, I went ahead and used my Happy Planner punch to punch out two pieces of paper. I then used my glue stick to just glue down those two pieces of paper. And the reason why I'm doing this is to create a really cute backdrop for the stickers when I place them. Because sometimes if I just place the sticker by itself, it doesn't really pop. But now you see how I place the sticker on top of the paper and it kind of makes it pop a little bit more. And it gives more color, so why not? This is such a great way to use up those scraps of paper, especially if you get those paper pads. They come with so much paper that sometimes I don't even know what to do with them. And after a project, I'm left with a bunch of scraps of paper. So why not take them and use them in your planner? I think it creates a really cool effect and you'll be surprised with what you can make with them. So I don't know, I think you should give it a try. Not to mention, if you don't have a lot of stickers, this is a great way to take up a lot of space in your planner so it won't look so empty. I went ahead and placed yellow washi on the next two boxes and I already punched out two pieces of paper. Then I'm just gluing it down, just like the other one, and placing my sticker right on top. Which I really love this sticker that says "Don't be salty." Such a good saying. As far as the stickers go, I'm trying to choose the stickers that won't really blend in too much with the paper, but also don't stand out too much. So kind of like a nice medium in the middle kind of thing. So I just went ahead and placed the stickers on top of the paper and saw if it blended in too much, then I would choose a different one. So I hope that helps. By the way, if you like all things planning, journaling, and especially if you're a night owl, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm on Instagram too, so if you're there, be sure to follow me. Also, I want to thank you for helping me reach 200 night owls on YouTube. I am so happy. And I can't thank you more than enough, and I really hope to keep creating some awesome ideas for you, whether it's for planning or journaling or anything. I just really am happy to be making these videos for you. Going back to the spread, I decided that I wanted to really make that lemon sticker pop out, so what I did is I just placed it on top of the green because I felt like it was kind of better than placing it on the orange and yellow paper because it was just blending in too much, but I really wanted to use that sticker, so I placed it on top of the green paper and I feel like it works. I really like it. Also, don't be mad, but we are skipping blue. It just didn't really work out because I didn't really have that much blue paper and it was more purple than blue dots, so I figured, okay, we're just gonna skip blue. So I'm sorry, I know it's not exactly in the order of the rainbow, but you kind of get the idea. Now that the major stickers and the papers are all placed in the spread, I can go ahead and start looking into my sticker books to start dressing up the spread just a little bit more. I wanted to be mindful of what stickers I was choosing because I wanted it to flow with the rainbow colors. So for instance, it would be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So that's how I chose my stickers and I tried my best to stick with that rainbow colors. And you'll see how in the end it kind of comes together. And you'll be proud of me because I've been using a lot of these box stickers lately, so I feel like I've been kind of getting the hang of it. At first, I didn't know how to use these heart stickers, but I had this great idea to use them just like a checklist, so I think that's what it's meant for, I don't know, but I'm gonna be using it for my whole house cleaning checklist, so you'll see how I wrote like kitchen, laundry, bedrooms inside of the hearts, and I'm just gonna use that as a checklist. It makes it look very cute, and it makes your things that you have to do not so bad. And yes, I did mess up the color coordination for 19 and the 20th. I'm kind of ashamed because I was an art student. Yeah, don't worry. I will change that because I noticed it later. But yeah, I'm just kind of ashamed. I never noticed in one of the sticker books, but they had these really tiny triangle stickers. So I used them as my little checklist things inside of the checklist sticker. And I like how it turned out because it looks like mountains or something. I don't know. It's pretty cool. And the colors really match, so it was perfect. And here you can see I'm just switching up the color coordination. Good thing I saw that. You know, it's funny because before I was so scared to use these empty box stickers, but now I'm kind of addicted to them. It's kind of scary, but you know, I do have to learn a little bit more about them because I'm not perfect at it, but I do notice that if something looks weird and if I just shift it a little bit, it'll be just fine. So in case if sometimes your box stickers look weird, just try shifting it just a little bit and it might work out for you. Once I was happy with the layout of all the box stickers, it was time to take out my other sticker books and just decorate the white space or the empty spots and just kind of make it look less empty. So I took my Agenda 52 sticker book and my dollar store sticker book and I just placed whatever stickers I felt would look good. But I was still being mindful of the color coordination thing because I really wanted to follow the rainbow colors. After I decorated the page, I had to use something for the left side of the spread, and I didn't really have things that would go well with it, so I had to take out this little Cuties sticker book that I got from Michael's, and I believe it was $1. I know it was very cheap, and I just placed some random stickers on the left side just to cover up all that emptiness. I also chose 2 stickers to cover up this week's list thing that was printed on the bottom. I didn't like how that looked, so I just covered it. I then took my Tombow Drawing Pen and wrote out the quote of the week. For this quote of the week, it's not about ideas, it's about making ideas happen by Scott Belsky. Or Belsky, I'm not too sure. I then took the time to write out all of my to-dos for this week. And we are done! I feel like all the to-do lists look really cute, especially my whole house cleaning to-do list. I really love those hearts. It just came out super cute. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you all a little later.